So my buddy James here is fixing up this old 96 Dodge Ram, and I think it's pretty great because he's actually taken the time to fix things on it. Like, for example, the truck needed rockers when he got it, it needed cab corners when he got it, and he actually took the time to, you know, cut out the old ones and weld in new inner and outer rockers, cab corners. Like, I like to think that he's actually saving this truck, because a lot of these trucks are going to the scrapyard now and stuff like that. You know, we actually took the time to clean up the frame, painted the frame again with some trim clad rust paint, you know. Took the time to actually clean up the bottom of the box and paint the whole bottom of the box. Like, all the rails are still good, like it just needed the time to have someone put the work into it. And this is where I think my buddy James is a genius, because these front fenders that were on here, the bottom half of them was rotten, but, like, you know, not really worth saving, but the body line on them was good. And this box needed some work around the wheel wells, so he cut out the wheel wells on this box, and then he ended up using the body line off the front fenders and put the front fenders on the back of the box. But this is where I think this truck gets cool. James, explain the exhaust system on this truck.
We cut it off at the Y-pipe, where the 2V into the cat. Took the rest of the single 2.5-inch exhaust off. And where the Y-pipe ends is now dual, so we put an Xpipe on and off a Chrysler 300, 2 glass packs, and a couple of 3-inch tips.
So what was a single exhaust truck is now dual?
Dual with an Xpipe. Can't do it on this side.
Oh yeah, that's right. It's easier from the other side. What motor's in this truck?
318.
318. I think it sounds pretty good, to be honest with you.
Yeah, don't sound horrible.
Yeah, we got some new fenders from out west on the way. Well, new used.
New to me!
They look new.
They're newer than the ones that I don't have.
So then it's going to be a matter of putting everything back together, and I think it'll be a half decent truck.
Spray it all red. She'll be nice.
Get it all one color, take it to Crown, do the undercoat.